The number of homes for sale in San Diego County goes down for the first time since the end of July. What does this mean for the San Diego real estate market? Hang out for the next few minutes and I will show you what I see going on with the numbers. Today is October 3rd, 2024, and you are watching San Diego Market Watch. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, please give us a like, subscribe so you don't miss any of these updates, and leave us a comment. Let us know where you're watching from and what sort of real estate information you would like to see next. We are here to help buyers and sellers all over San Diego County. So send us a message or give us a call. Let's get right into the numbers. The number of homes for sale went down over the last 7 days. We had been screaming upwards towards this elusive 5,000 homes for sale number and never quite got there, and now going back down because pending sales went up a little bit last week and new listings went up less. So we're not talking about hundreds of homes difference here, just 20 or 30 or 40 different from last time here on the number of homes for sale. I think less than 50 homes change here. So these are not drastic changes in the numbers, but they do indicate a direction. And of course, until we see it for 3 or 4 weeks in a row, it's not a trend. It's just 1 week's worth of data. So we don't know exactly what this means for the market, but for the time being, it does seem to mean that there are more homes being purchased than homes being listed. And if that keeps up, we will see new listings and pending sales get closer together, and that will begin to create more pressure and push median price back up, increasing competition between buyers and all of that sort of stuff. Right now, there are more homes for sale than there are buyers in the marketplace. So while there still is competition going on between buyers for the really good and super well-priced properties, there are a whole bunch of properties that are currently not selling and ripe for price reductions. So we will see what the next few weeks bring. Although it is interesting heading into the fourth quarter of 2024 to see a shift in the number of homes for sale. It hasn't gone down for a couple of months. So if it starts to trend back down, that's going to create a situation much like we saw in the fourth quarter of 2022, where pending sales went up, inventory went down, and prices started screaming right back upwards again. So this could go either way, and it is important to pay attention. If you are thinking about putting a home on the market right now, talk to us first. Let's go through the numbers in your specific neighborhood and see what makes sense as far as pricing goes. Now, looking at interest rates, those did inch up just a tiny bit over the last 7 days, according to the Freddie Mac primary mortgage market survey over the last 7 days. 6.12. It was down a little lower last week, but we have been sort of floating around in the low 6s, and a lot of buyers even in the high 5s, depending on your loan program, your credit score, and the amount of money that you're putting down. And also the price of the property can factor into what your rate looks like. Now, we will have new median price numbers for September when we join you next week. So for now, that's what's going on in the San Diego real estate market. If you like what you're seeing, please, again, like, share, subscribe, and comment. We will be back next week with all sorts of neighborhood real estate updates. We'll be live on YouTube tomorrow evening to share with you San Diego market recap and what's going on in San Diego this weekend, and just a whole bunch of other fun stuff that we do on our Friday program. Much less formal environment. We're just hanging out, having a good time, and showing you what's going on in San Diego. So tune in for that. Tune in next week. Until then, have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.